And also in the news tonight is the 62nd anniversary celebration of the Department of Social Welfare and Development. Dina Pagibitan reports.
With the team sama-samang husay tungo sa tagumpay, the second anniversary of Department of Social and Welfare Development was created, where people who helped the agency through the years have been acknowledged. The success of their programs will not be possible if not because of the people and agencies who help them. Also, the celebration comes with a bazaar, which shows the products of different regions in the country. For the awardees, it is not an ordinary recognition, rather a once-in-a-lifetime gratitude.
Iba kasi yung awards, hindi ito yung contest that you will have to join mga entities mo. That's the way it should be. Let them do the selecting rather than you doing the joining.
It's an honor for the Philippine Star to accept this award. Imagine, we're very surprised and we're very amazed and thankful at the same time.
One of the present projects of the SWD are Pantawid Pamilya, a human development program and social protection strategy of local government which guarantees livelihood and cash to poor families. And Kalahi CIDSS or Kalahi Bisig Laban sa Kahirapan Comprehensive and Integrated Delivery of Social, a community-driven development program seek to teach and strengthen ordinary Filipino to support the government's goals and projects. The SWD promises a bigger hand for poor people and more programs concerning poor Filipino communities.
Maunlad na pag-iimplementa ng aming mga programa na pinag-uugnay-ugnay nang sa ganon mas mabisa pa naming matulungan ang mamamayang magamit ang kapangyarihan nila para sa kanilang kapakanan.
For People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.